In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add manual payment method in Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Settings, and then select Payments. This is where you manage the ways your store accepts payments, including both automatic and manual options. If you want to offer customers another way to pay outside of standard card processing, this is the section you need. Once you are on the Payments page, scroll down until you see the Manual Payment Methods section. This area allows you to add payment options that require some action outside Shopify, such as a custom offline or direct payment arrangement. Taking a moment to review this section carefully will help make sure you choose the right method for your store. Next, select an option from the drop-down menu. Shopify provides different manual payment choices, and the one you pick should match the payment experience you want to offer your customers. Choose the option that best fits your business and how you plan to collect payment. After selecting the payment method, you will see a field for additional details. In this box, enter the information you want customers to see during checkout. This should be clear and easy to understand, since it helps explain what the payment method is and what the customer should expect before placing the order. Keep the wording simple so there is no confusion at this stage. Then move to the Payment Instructions field. This is where you enter the information that will appear on the order confirmation screen and in the order confirmation email. These instructions should tell the customer exactly what to do after the order is placed. For example, you may want to explain when payment should be sent or how the payment will be confirmed. The clearer your instructions are, the smoother the process will be for both you and your customer. Once everything looks good, click Activate Payment Method. This will turn on the manual payment option and make it available to customers at checkout. Before you finish, it is a good idea to quickly review what you entered in both text fields to make sure the details are accurate and easy to follow. Clear instructions can reduce customer questions and help prevent order delays. That covers everything you need to know.